I want to show you how to add Sam Kolder Luma Fade Transition in Premiere Pro. To begin, I've added 2 video clips to my timeline. I move my timeline to the position where the 2 clips meet, then hold Shift and hit the left arrow key 4 times. Now move your second clip so it rests against the playhead. Go to Effects and find the gradient wipe under Transition and add it to the top clip. Now go to Effect Controls and click on the stopwatch animation icon for transition completion and change its value to 100%. Now move the playhead to where the first clip ends, then change transition completion to 0%. Increase the softness to 50% and check off the invert option. Everything is ready. Let's see the result. Help to grow this channel. Put your like and subscribe.